So children, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Children, which lesson we are
Good
learning?
morning, ma'am.
Which lesson we are learning now? Do you remember?
Reflection.
Huh? Reflection and
Action.
reflection and
Symmetry.
symmetry. Reflection and symmetry. See children, can you see me properly now in that? Yes.
ma'am.
So reflection. What is reflection? Who remember when we see in mirror, we will see our image. Yes.
Yes.
That image is called
Reflection.
and children, this image will be same as the object. Yes, same as the object. And we have discussed where we can see these reflections.
Style.
Can see in the mirror, water, oil and shiny surfaces and all. Okay. And children, we have already discussed what's that? Symmetry and line of symmetry. See what is line of symmetry? When a line divides the shape, when a line divides the shape into two identical, we can say, or we can say two reflections. Yes, then that line is called
Reflection.
line of symmetry. What is that line? Who said reflection? Reflection, we are seeing our image in the mirror. Yes?
Yes.
Our image in the mirror, that is reflection. And what is symmetry? We know if a shape has one or more than one line of symmetry. One or, can you see? Can you hear properly?
Yes.
Yes, who was saying that not able to listen? Who cannot? Okay, so when some shapes with one or more than one line of symmetry, that shapes are called, the lines with more than one or more than one line of symmetry shapes are called?
Line of symmetry.
That is line of symmetry. If we have more than one or two lines of symmetry, that shapes are called symmetrical shapes. Then someone is helping you?
No.
Somebody is there?
No.
No? Okay. Very easy, no children. If we can divide the shapes with line of symmetry, that shapes are called symmetrical shapes. Okay. If there is no line of symmetry, Algan, can you say if there is no line of symmetry, that shapes are called? If there is no line of symmetry.
Symmetry.
Asymmetrical shapes.
Symmetrical.
What's that? Asymmetrical. You know that opposites, no? Like that. Symmetrical shapes, asymmetrical shapes. If we can divide the shape into two identical parts, that shapes are called symmetrical. If we cannot divide, what we'll say? Asymmetrical. Understood?
Yes.
Symmetrical and asymmetrical. Okay, children, now today we are going to study a little more about like symmetry. I want all the children to be attentive. Listen here. Arav, Shabari, sit straight. Eden also look here, okay? Okay, then I can see that, okay? Homework. I will ask later, okay? After the, before we going to end the session, we will be seeing all the homeworks, okay? So children, we are going to learn now tiling. In tiling, how the symmetry. What is tiling? You know what is tile?
Yes.
Yes. All the children, your house, the floors and all, with what?
Tiles.
Tiles. And where we can see
Pool.
tiles? Can you say?
Hospital.
Pool. Yes, we can. Pool. House where? On the floor. Floor. Sometimes on the walls. Okay, children. Now we are learning a very easy topic. All the children has to be very attentive. Algan and all. No need to open the workbook now. Children, Fold your arms and listen properly. Okay, Ridu, keep the pen down. All of you, please pay attention. I will ask one by one. Now I will ask one by one. Okay, so we are learning more about tiling, and all the children, I'm sure they know what is tile. So what? Tiling. And all these your floors you can observe, you can see tiles, and on the walls, sometimes on the bathroom walls, kitchen walls, you can see tiles. Okay, children, is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. Have you seen tiles in your home?
Yes.
Yes. You have seen tiles in your home. Where? On the walls, on the floors. Some children maybe in some houses they make a roof also. Roof. Like big buildings and all, we can see roofs also. So children, this tiling, we can see some pattern or symmetry. We can say symmetry can be seen in tiling. So how tiling pattern means this patterns or the tile will be repeated. Okay, children, look at your house, walls and floors. If you see one a square tile and the next will be one rectangle tile.
No.
No, same. Yes.
Yes.
So maybe sometimes some pattern, for that more than one or two tiles will be repeating. Usually we can see one tile. In that one tile also we can see some symmetry patterns and all. Okay, children. So where we can see symmetry in tiles. So listen properly. Now a tiling pattern that has a repeating pattern, that is called periodic. Periodic means that pattern will be repeating. Pattern will be repeating. Children, you know the seasons and all. Seasons. Can you say some seasons? I will ask Ridu. Okay. All others wait. Otherwise, we will not able to listen. Ridu, you know seasons? Yes. And what are the seasons you know?
Season, summer,
I cannot hear louder, please.
Summer.
Summer.
winter,
Winter.
rainy
Monsoon.
season,
Now it's raining. No, children. Now which season now? Monsoon, no? Yes, Algan. Now which season, Algan?
Rainy
season,
Raining season. So we can say monsoon season. Yes. After monsoon, after raining, which season will come?
spring.
Spring. After that?
Not clear.
Summer. Before that, winter is there, no? Winter, summer. So children, every year this will be repeating. Yes?
Yes.
You know, after winter, summer will come. Yes? After summer, which season will come after summer?
Rainy.
Raining. That is monsoon. Okay, children. So it is repeating. So like this repeating pattern is called periodic. Periodic tiling. What is that? Periodic. The periods. You know which period is now? Maths period. That period you know? Like that.
Yes.
Periodic tiling. How the periodic tiling? If the pattern is repeating. What's that? Repeating pattern. Repeating pattern. That is called periodic tiling. If it is not repeating, what will be the tiling? Which pattern? Periodic. Who can say the opposite of periodic? We can say non-periodic. What's that? Non-periodic. Ara, pay attention here. We are learning very simple things. Sahal, can you hear me? Sahal, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what we are learning now? Who can say? Raise your hand.
Period.
We are learning tiling. In that tiling, we are learning periodic tiling and non-periodic tiling. Periodic tiling means what, Eden? Yes, Eden. Periodic tiling means a tiling pattern that has a who can say tiling pattern that has a Which
Same
pattern?
pattern. Same
Repeating pattern. What's that? Tonia, what is that periodic tiling? Repeating pattern. If the patterns are repeating, we can say that pattern, that tiling pattern is periodic. What's that? Periodic. If that is not repeating, what's that called? Non-periodic.
Periodic.
Okay, children, we are learning very simple things. Tiling. Okay, tiling. In that tiling, we are learning periodic. Periodic means what? Repeating. If that tiling pattern is repeating, that is called periodic. What is that called? Periodic. And if it is not repeating, what's that called? Non-periodic. What's that called? Non-periodic. Okay. Okay, now we are going to learn one new, I will show you the PowerPoint, okay? That time you can see the spelling clearly. Now we are learning some new words. One more word, tessellation. Tessellation, what is that, Ridu? Tessellation. Mivel, what is that word I told you now?
Tessellation.
Tessellation. Ekraj, what did I say now? Tessellation. Okay. Now, what is tessellation? That is a tiling pattern made of ceramic or cement. Okay, cement, hexagon, tiles and all. Can you see your car porch and all? Car porch and your courtyard. Yes, we can see courtyard and car porch, cement tiles, ceramic tiles. That pattern, that is called tessellation. What is that called? Tessellation. And how these tessellations are, can you observe your pavement or floors? Is that, there will be some gaps will be there?
No.
No. If some gaps will be there, what will happen? What will happen, Binnu? If you are tiling, no, after one tile, some gap is there. What will happen?
Our leg go inside that.
Your leg will go inside, yes? Your leg will go inside and you will get hurt. Yes, sometimes your leg will break.
Sometimes
Okay.
stuck there.
Very good. Okay, so there should not be any gap. If there is a tessellation, there will not be any gap. And overlap also should not be there. Overlap means you can see one tile is placed and how the another tile is kept over that? No. There is no overlap and also at the same time, there is no gap. Children, if there is one tile and another tile is kept on the top, when you walk, sometimes the tiles will break. Yes?
Yes.
If you keep one tile over the other, and when you walk, sometimes you will fall down and the tiles will be break. Okay, so in the tessellation means what? It is a tiling pattern made of ceramic or cement. You can see today your homework is that after this class. Okay, children, are you listening?
Yes.
Yes or no, Asin? Are you listening? You have to go out of your house and your courtyard, carport. You have to see what is the shape of the tile. Some tiles may be in the hexagon. Hexagon means 6 side will be there. 6 side. Sometimes there will be square. Sometimes there will be octagon. Octagon means 8 side.
8 sides.
8 side. Sometimes it will be 5 side, 6 side. So what you will do after this class, you will go and observe the patterns from the tiles. Okay, is it in which shape? Is it rectangle? Is it square? Is it hexagon? Okay, children?
Yes.
Understood? Okay, now I am going to show you the Leon field. Leon? Hello? All the children, please pay attention. And you know, it's morning and it's raining. Some children will be feeling sleepy. You are not learning now maths. Yes? We are learning something about tiling, tessellation.
Raining.
Raining. Raining. We are learning about raining? No. I said it's raining, don't sleep. Okay. You have to be more
Yes.
smart. Okay. Now I can give you one tessellation example. Have you seen honeycomb?
Yes.
Honeycomb?
Yes.
Can you say the shape of honeycomb?
Oil.
Oval?
Oh.
Children, that is hexagon. After this class, you can observe some pictures of honeycomb. You will get six sides. So, honeycombs is an example for tessellation that is in the nature. Okay. In the nature,
Yes.
and that will be in the hexagonal shape. Honeycomb. Okay, so that's an example for tessellation. And children, where we can see this tessellation? We can see the tessellation on floors, pavements. And when you go to this Taj Mahal and all, no? Historical places, you can see the roof and the walls, many tessellations. There will be some patterns. Okay, so whenever you go outside, after this class, not now, now we are not going out much. Yes, when we go to tourist places and all, we'll go to some museums and all. You can see these tessellation patterns on the roof also. Okay, children. Now I will show this. Children, can you see the board?
Yes.
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 Leonardo, what is written on the board?
Tiling.
Periodic.
Tiling.
Periodic tiling. Periodic tiling. So a tiling pattern
Tiling.
that has repeating.
Periodic.
What is that? Tiling pattern that has a repeating pattern. So periodic means you have to know that is repeating. I told you now our seasons. Seasons that is repeating. So we can say seasons are periodic. Seasons are periodic. Like that we have repeating pattern. That patterns are called periodic. So this we are learning about tiling. So the tiling pattern that has a repeating pattern. Repeating pattern that is called periodic tiling. Now look at the children how this hexagon 1, like this 2, you can see 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see like this hexagonal shapes tiles in your car porch and outside your courtyard and all. Yes, Evangel? What are you doing, Evangel? Can you say which is the shape of your tiles in your car porch and all? Have you observed that before? Evangel?
Square.
Square? Okay, square. Now children, okay, very good. So next one, tiling pattern that does not have repeating. If it is not have any repeating pattern, that pattern is called non-periodic tiling. What is that called? Non-periodic. So if let me see how many are listening properly. Yes, Leon, can you say what is periodic tiling? Leon CL, can you say what is a periodic tiling? Periodic tiling. Who can say? Raise your hand. Yes, Ridu. Ridu, then any other person? Let me check. Okay, Ridu, tell me what is a periodic tiling?
Repeated.
Repeating. That means a tiling pattern that has a repeating pattern. Okay. Can you say now, Leon? Tiling pattern?
Repeating pattern.
Repeating pattern. So in the tiling, if you can see repeating, that is called tiling pattern. Egraj. If the pattern is not repeating, what is that called? Non-periodic. Okay, children? Non-periodic. Arav, can you keep that staple? stapler we keeping in the head. Then sometimes you will sit properly. We are in math period. I don't want any children looking here and there, here and there. So we learned what is a periodic and non-periodic. So a tiling pattern that does not have a repeating pattern is called non-periodic. And now we are going to learn tessellation. Children, look at tessellation. Binu, can you read that tessellation? Tessellation is a
Tessellation is a tiling pattern made of ceramic or
ceramic
ceramic or cement
cement hexagons or squares. Sometimes you can see another shape also. But usually when we say what is tessellation? Tessellation is a tiling pattern made of ceramic. See our house, the floors and all, we will use ceramic tiles. Okay, ceramic. Sometimes we can say ceramic or cement. Ceramic or
cement.
Now where we can see the tessellation? We can see on the floor. We can see on the pavement. What is pavement, children? Pavement. When you walk through road. Okay, highways and all. Children,
Yes.
highways and all. There will be walking place on the side of the road.
Yes.
Yes, that is called pavement. We can see the pavement there or in park and all. There all we have this tiling, tiles, cement tiles. Okay, we will keep cement
Yes.
tiles and all. And they will be in a pattern. And children, there we cannot see any gaps or overlaps. If there is any gap or overlap is there, we can say that is not a tessellation. That is not a tessellation if we can see some gap or overlaps. What will happen if some, Saira, can you say, Saira? If some gap or overlapping is there, what will happen?
Will fall down.
Will fall down. Sometimes our leg will break. See, sometimes in there is will we go, then some persons, that pavements, no, some like tiles and will be broken. Many accidents happen on the roadside and all. If there is, we will not see and we will fall down inside. Okay. So we learned today what all things we learned today. Meanwhile, can you say what we learned today?
Not clear.
Not clear. Who said not clear?
Egraj.
Egraj, I think some connectivity issues there. Can you, children who can see or hear properly, can you raise your hand? Yes, many children can hear properly. Okay, Meanwhile, now tell me, what are the things we learned today?
Patterns of tiles.
Patterns. So, patterns in tile. So that in repeating pattern, we will say that is periodic. If it is periodic tiling. If it is not repeating, what we'll say?
Non-periodic.
Non-periodic. Where is Ananda Krishnan?
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot see, only I can see backside of your bed or something. Where is your face, Ananda Krishnan? Sit straightly. Sit straight. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Evangel, I cannot see your face. Some black light is not there. Okay. Shabari, sit straight. Shabari, someone is sitting with someone, no problem. But sit straight, no playing over there. Shabari Krishna. So we have learned today what is
Tiling.
tiling. In that tiling, periodic tiling, non-periodic tiling. And what is tessellation? It is also a tiling pattern made of ceramic or cement hexagons or squares. And where we can see these tessellations? Where can we see in these tessellations? On the floor, yes. Sometimes on the walls. Then roofs of monuments. I told you, no, Taj Mahal, like that, some museums and all.
Yes.
We can see on the roof. And
road.
Quilting. What is quilting? You know quilt? Quilt.
Yes.
Blanket and all. No, we will sleep that. blankets.
Yes,
Like that quilting is there. We can see carpets. Have you seen carpets?
Yes, magic
There also we can see tessellations and all. So after this class, wherever tessellation, you have to observe on the carpets, on the floor, roofs of that, some pictures of the museums, monuments, and I told you one example from the nature tessellations. Can you say example from the nature? Honeycomb. Very good. Who said that? Who said that honeycomb? Eden. Okay, Eden. I want all the children to be very okay. Shividyan. Shividyan. Can you say honeycomb? That basic tile. Which shape?
hexagon.
Hexagon. Very good. Okay. So children, have you understood that?
Yes.
Now I will show you question number 15 and 16 from your workbook. 15 and 16 from the workbook. I will explain now. You can complete later. Okay? You can complete later means because we have that is like sentences. If you write, you will not be able to write faster. Okay? I will explain. Then I will send the notes after this class. Will you be able to complete before the next class? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to show you that. Take
Ma'am, this page.
which page? Look at 10. Tell me.
Ma'am,
Page number. Question number 15. 8.
how should
Now I show you that homework, children. Before that.
Yes.
Before that. Show me your homework. That butterfly and flower. Very good. Very good. I can see Binu, Mivel, Kanchal. Yes, Eden. Ekraj, show me your homework. Ekraj. Show me your homework. Yes, Akshaj, very good. I can see that. A little more raise. Akshaj, raise your book again. Little more. Yes, Angela, very good. I can see that. Akshaj, Ekraj. Please unmute. Show me your homework.
Ma'am, I don't draw.
Why? I thought that you were playing over there and Sahal, you don't have the workbook, yes? When you will be coming to Kerala? You don't know?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, Tonio, yes.
Ma'am.
Page that, Tonio? Tonio? Question number what? Question number? That butterfly and flower. Butterfly and flower.
40.
14. Are you showing me 14? Len, show me your pictures, homework. Okay, after this class, you are not unmuting and saying, after this class, unmute and say, what's the problem? Only one drawing, no, coloring and drawing, Len. After the class, you are not opening, that's why. Okay, children. Now, those who have not completed today, before the next class. Next which class you have only Wednesday and Friday. So on Friday you have 3-4 days. So I don't want any incomplete work. Children. Okay.
Social.
What social? I'm saying we have only Wednesday after this. Okay. Now take your question number 15. All of you. 15. Open your workbook. Please mute children some sounds from some house. Okay. How should we draw? Can you see this question on the board?
Yes.
Yes. How should we draw? How should we draw a line of symmetry? Who can say that? We were drawing many lines of symmetry. How we were drawing the line of symmetry?
Dotted line.
Dotted line. Okay, that's correct. But how we had to draw? Shabari, sit straight. Are you listening or talking over there?
Ma'am,
It should be equal parts. Very good. Okay, children. You know the butterfly and all, that flower and all, when we were drawing and coloring, each part they are same, identical. It should be equal. So the question is question number 15. Shivadyan, please pay attention. Now, children, I am explaining how to draw symmetrical halves. Okay, the question is, how should we draw a line of symmetry? How we have to draw? We have to draw in such a way that they are mirror images. We can say they are mirror images or identical half, or we can say that should be reflections. Okay, and give 2 examples. Give 2 examples. Can you say one example? We have drawn for rectangle. Rectangle, how, Asin, can you say how many lines of symmetry for a rectangle, Asin?
2.
How many, Asin? Rectangle, 2. Okay, so you have to draw one vertical and one horizontal. How you have to draw? Equally. If you cannot draw equally, you can measure with scale. What is the half? And we can make also triangle also. Okay, children. Now, no need to draw and write now, but I will say.
Ma'am, square.
Okay, square, rectangle and all. Okay, children. I will send the notes. Now it's the time to wind up the session. Okay. I will send this question number 15 and 16 I will send. Next one is reflection. Where can we see these reflections and all? These question number 15 and 16 I will send the notes. Okay, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.